Vowel digraphs. Another common pattern is vowel digraphs, formed by two vowels. In vowel digraphs, the first vowel is long and the second is silent. For example, EA is E, AY is A. Here Y acts like a vowel. OA is O, IE is I, AI is A, EE is E, OW is O. W acts like a vowel, and OE, O. It's easy to remember this rule by using the following jingle. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. EA as in peach, OA as in boat, AI as in train, OE as in toe, AY as in tray, IE as in tie, EE as in cheese, OW as in snow.